First, check the device's Wi-Fi name, and then connect to the device's Wi-Fi network on your computer. Enter password. Open HDPlayer. This is the Wi-Fi serial number of the device that was just connected. Click Settings. Click B6L. Resolution input, 256 by 768. Click OK. Click Custom Area. Click Source File. Select the files you want to send. Click OK. Click Send. Select this device. Click Send. Waiting for the video to finish sending. Insert the USB flash drive into the computer. Open HDPlayer. Click Settings. Click B6L. Resolution input, 256 by 768. Click OK. Click Custom Area. Click Source File. Select the video you want to play. Click OK. Click to U-Disk. Select your USB drive. Select Playback Mode. Click Export. Waiting for the USB drive to finish copying. Insert the copied USB flash drive into the LED display.